This is the 2023 special edition, the green color, I think. I guess it's just the GT line. But this one's locked in. This one is the pearl white. They got a couple of GT lines around here. No, this is the Wind Tech package. Yeah. So this is a display. I can give it a test ride. It's just a display. That's locked. Yeah. Yeah, come take a ride. So we are in a white GT line, pearl white as well.
You don't turn.
It's not turning?
You don't turn.
Because it's not running right now. Very nice. It looks spacious than mine though. I don't know. The GT line looks a little bit spacious.
Close the door.
Yeah, close the door. Good. Got a nice sound to it too. Yeah, the GT line look. Oh no, it looks a little bit spacious than mine. Like the seat is a little bit dipped in.
And then.
Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to Kilowatt Hour on Levy channel. Today I am about to take my car to the dealership. There's no issue with the car. I just need to take it in for 32,000 miles inspection. So yeah, this car is almost 32,000 miles now. So, and I had to do it. So if I turn the camera around, actually let me just turn it this way. If you guys can see. As you can see, it is at 31,687 miles. So, yeah, the car is really doing great. So let me show it again. All right, so I'm back. And yes, 31,000 miles. And I'm kind of running late. I'll be taking my son with me. So it's going to be a little bit, probably maybe 2 hours or so. Probably they will add some software update or whatever recall that I never did. Hopefully they can do that. If not, I'll schedule for next week. So, but if this is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell, share my video as well. Check out my other videos, my road trip videos on my Kia EV6, the charging sessions, accessory for my Kia EV6. If you have any question, feel free to reach out about the EV6. I will try to explain to you as to the best of my knowledge. And if not, I can ask a question and I'll get back to you about that. Check out my VSC videos as well. My news week. I haven't been doing a lot of news, weekly news videos because I got work, family, and all that stuff. So I'm a little bit behind, but I will try and get back and get better with that. So thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. And you know, to all the people that left comment, thank you for your comment. I'll respond to you as soon as I can. And that's all I can say. With all that being said, let's get on the road and see how this process works. But just to let you know, this is going to be the 16,000, like the extra addition, the second 16,000 miles. So they will be conducting inspection and all the stuff that needs to be done and replace the filter, the cabin air filter. I have one, I bought one, but I don't know. I might tell them not to replace it and because I have one at home. So, but I'll see how that goes. If they still want to replace it, I'll let them go ahead and do that anyways. It doesn't cost that much. But we'll see. I'll see you on the road and at the dealership. All right, so I just arrived at dealership, and there's a car in front of me, so I have to wait. So I have to wait and get somebody to take care of this car. I can see the customer reps, the gentleman usually that usually attend to me. I don't know if I mean I'm assigned under him or whatever, but he's there today. So all right, they're about to move the car. About to go in and see what is going on, what we can do today. All right, so I'm about to go in. All right. All right, I'll be back once I see the rep. This is the 2023 special edition, the green color, I think. I guess it's just the GT line. This one's locked in. This one is the pearl white. They got a couple of GT lines around here. No, this is the Wind Tech package. Yeah. Yeah, this is a long range tech package, pearl white. And where is that tech package? Okay, technology assistant. And what's the range? 282. Wow. Okay. It got about 8 miles extra. Yeah. So this one has better carpet. Got a new car smell. They got a couple of EV6, like let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they got a GT 6, 5. I think they got some outside. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, this the not for sale. So this is a display. I can't give it a ride, test ride. It's just a display. That's locked. Yeah. Yeah, come take a ride. So we are in a white GT line, pearl white as well.
You don't turn.
It's not turning
You don't turn.
because it's not running right now. Very nice. It looks spacious than mine though. I don't know. The GT line looks a little bit spacious.
Close the door.
Yeah, close the door. Good. Got a nice sound to it too. Yeah, the GT line look. I don't know. It looks a little bit spacious than mine. Like the seat is a little bit dipped in.
And then
Yeah. All right, welcome back. Welcome back. So I just completed the 32,000 miles.
can we?
All right, so I just completed the process, and so they were able to do some software update that the VSC ICC software upgrade, and well, I guess they did alignment that cost $124.95. And yeah, I think it's due for an alignment, real alignment anyway. So let me move around. So I don't know what this vehicle is doing. I don't know where he's going. But anyway, I report to the side. I don't think it should. Yeah. All right. So couple of stuff. They didn't change the filter. I have filter, so they said it is getting close to replacing it. So I told them I have one. I'll replace that. they did not do, they were able to do, what they call it, uh, tire rotation because they couldn't find the. All right, so welcome back. Well, I just checked the trunk, and inside the tire kit, and I found the wheel lock that I couldn't find. So I don't know if they even looked. So it is okay. They did alignment. Car drives good. All right, they got a couple of EV6s. At least about 6 of them inside the dealership. So they got at least majority of them GT lines and one GT. So one Wind EV6 tech package, like long range. But I saw the GT line. They have, I think they're all-wheel drive, and they have, yeah, they're all-wheel drive, and they have, the range is less, like 252 miles estimated range. So, and the other dealership that they have here, that's a Kia Volkswagen. I mean, Volkswagen, Hendrix Volkswagen. They got a couple of ID4s at least. I can see they got ID4s outside, but the EV6 are on the inside. Wow, those are all ID4s. I can count like maybe 15 of them. So, if you are going to be doing 32,000 miles on your EV6, you will be doing up to, I mean, you will be, these are some of the things that you will be doing, which is wheel alignment, tire rotation, replacing the cabin air filter. So, and just make sure the fluids are up to date, or fluids are up to where they're supposed to be. So, but that's it for another video of 32,000 miles inspection for my 2022 Kia EV6. There's a lot of trailers around here. Well, I mean, there's a trailer dealership over there, but that's like a RV lot. The Z-Max, and that is Motor Speedway. So thank you for watching. If this is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other video, my EV6 videos, road trip videos, charging session videos.
He's happy.
So yeah, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. There's a car show going on over there. Yeah, car show going on over there. And check out my social media, follow my pages, and I will try to update. I've been behind on my social media pages, but I will try and keep them up to date. So check out and comment on the pages and also my YouTube videos. So see you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye-bye.